Welcome everybody, and in this lecture we'll be learning the simple concept of arbitrage that's going to make you a loads of money on eBay. Now, arbitrage is a very simple concept to understand, but to implement it takes a little bit more work. So what is arbitrage? It is simply the difference between the amount of money that you buy a product and the amount of money that you sell the same exact product. The difference that you keep is your profit. Now, for you to be successful doing the same exact concept on eBay, you have to do this over and over and over again. Volume is the key for dropshipping. Instead of doing just one or two products, that's not going to make you enough money. Because you're doing arbitrage, you have to have a lot of different products. The big key to your success here is not to start very fast. The reason for that, eBay doesn't like people who just start brand new, start listing tons of items and start making money. That's just gonna raise a red flag there. Where are you getting the merchandise? Is this legitimate? Are you using a dropshipper? They dislike that kind of style. So to go about this and still make money, what you have to do is start the business pretty slow. They give you around 20 listings to begin with, which is fine for you to start at. And then all you're doing is building up your business. And then every single time your business gets to the next level, you keep on increasing the seller limits. So if you can only have 20 listings, you ask them to increase it to, let's say, 50. Then you ask them to increase it again to 100 and then 200 and so on. So eventually you have a huge volume of products. You will know how to manage your inventory because you learn how to handle it with a few products. And then you can definitely do it with many products in the end. So the whole concept here is for you to learn the basics, master it, and go to the next level. Master this level and then go to the expert level. So I'll be teaching you all those concepts in this class, how you start from beginning and then go all the way to mastery, where you're going to be learning a lot of money, replicating this system that's going to work for you. Now this does involve a lot of work, but this work will pay off in the end and you'll make a lot of money.